Burmese Coconut Jelly. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen. Today, we're whisking you away on a journey to the tropics with an exquisite yet delightfully simple treat. First, let us gather the stars of our show. 4 teaspoons of agar powder, or if you prefer, gelatine may take its place. 10 teaspoons of pure white sugar. A delicate pinch of salt, a luxurious 400 milliliters can of coconut cream, and finally, 1200 milliliters of water to bring it all together. Now the cooking begins. In a heavy-bottomed pan, one that will protect our mixture from the heat's fiery temper, pour in the 1200 milliliters of water. Into this, sprinkle the 4 teaspoons of agar powder, followed by 10 teaspoons of sugar. Stir with purpose and let this enchanting mixture simmer gently over low heat for 8 minutes. Patience as the sugar dissolves and the agar becomes one with the liquid. Once this potion is perfectly blended, we unveil the secret to its creaminess. The velvety 400 milliliters of coconut cream. Pour it in and watch as the mixture transforms. Now, we turn up the heat and allow it to rise to a gentle boil for a mere 2 minutes. But beware, the mixture has a mind of its own and may attempt to overflow if left unchecked. Keep your eyes sharp, and the moment it threatens to rise, swiftly turn off the heat and give it one final calming stir. Now, for the grand pour. With grace, transfer the mixture into a heat-proof vessel, perhaps a Pyrex bowl worthy of this creation. Use a spoon to smooth the surface, banishing any mischievous air bubbles that dare to appear. Patience once more. Allow the mixture to cool in the open air, granting it the time it needs to settle before it enters the chilled sanctuary of the refrigerator. There, it shall rest for at least 2 hours, slowly transforming into its final, tantalizing form. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Your Burmese coconut jelly has set to perfection, and it is time to carve this masterpiece into delicate diamond shapes. With a steady hand, make straight cuts in one direction, then diagonally in the other. Revealing glistening gems of jelly. Though modest in appearance, these delicate jellies are a wonder to the taste buds. Silky, light, and kissed with the gentle sweetness of coconut. Not only are they a joy to eat on their own, but they are also destined for greatness in a variety of dessert drinks, an adventure we'll surely explore in the future. So there you have it, our Burmese coconut jelly. Simple, yes, but elegant and absolutely divine. Thank you for joining us on this color.